Let's open a model. Our goal is to create a drawing from this model. We can use the New Drawing from Current Model command. It displays the Layout Configuration dialog box. We select a view to change the view orientation. We can do it for any view. We can use the rotation step buttons, or we can set one of the predefined views, for example, front or left. Then we confirm with OK. We can define also the behavior for drawing frame and title blocks by using the Setting button. In our case, they will be inserted automatically. After the confirmation, ThinkDesign will create a new drawing which contains the configuration of the views we selected and the most suitable drawing frame and title blocks. In the drawing structure, we can see a group called Format. It contains drawing frame and title blocks. Moreover, there are views. We can reconfigure our drawing by deleting one or more views or by moving them. We can open the properties of a view with the Edit Properties command. Now, we delete this view and we insert a new one. We can select a predefined view with Insert Drawing View Main. We choose Top. As we can see, this view has some dimensions. This behavior is defined in the current properties. The dimensions of many features are set as visible. We save this specific configuration to reuse it in the following. Let's type a name. Then we save the drawing with the default name. Let's open another model. We want to use the customized configuration just saved to create a drawing from this model. Let's run again the command and select among the layout configurations our customized one. The drawing we obtain after the confirmations contains the same kind of views in the same place we set before. Another way to obtain a drawing is to start from a new drawing that is empty and insert the views we want. The first time we insert a view, ThinkDesign asks for the name of the reference model. We can select it from the drop-down list of the model currently open. In the following, when we position the other views, the reference model is always the same selected for the first view, so we don't have other requests. If we select a custom view, we can insert a view referred always to the same model, and we can set its orientation and other parameters. Finally, we insert the drawing frame and title blocks. We have to select the appropriate size in the selection list, and then we can move it to a more suitable position with a simple drag and drop. Let's go back to the drawing saved before. We open the properties of the top view to disable the visualization of all the dimensions. It means to disable all the filter of the dimensions for the features inside the model. To enable this change, we need to regenerate the view. Now we want to insert a sectioned view. Let's start by inserting a cutting plane line defined directly on drawing. In the top view, we insert a cutting line by defining its orientation and 2 points. Then, we edit it by extending the section and by inverting the direction of the section. Now, we can insert the sectioned view. The sectioned view inherits the current properties, for example, the visibility of the dimensions that we change locally in the top view. Also, for this view, we disable the visualization of all dimensions, and they disappear after the regeneration of the view. We can edit the section line. We can insert new points or delete them. We can also change the point to create a new section line. The sectioned view will change accordingly. In addition, we can go to apply this section in other views. We redefine the cutting section line again. For example, we select another view and we redefine it by selecting the section A. We apply the section to another view. Let's see now how to insert a section defined on the model. First of all, we have to define it in the model. We need to associate the section to a datum plane. We go back to the reference model and we insert a datum plane parallel to this face and passing through the center of a feature. Apply and save the model. Let's go back to the drawing to define the section. We have to regenerate the drawing to apply the model changes. We run define on model. We can select the datum plane and we set the direction, and we select the section B. We apply this section in the A view with the redefine view command by selecting the B section in the drop-down list. Finally, we save the drawing.